Definition of synonyms. Synonyms are words that mean the same or almost the same. Big elephant, elephant is big and large. Happy kid, kid is happy and joyful. Fast tiger, tiger is fast and quick. Small ant, ant is a small and tiny. Smart fox, fox is smart and clever. Pretty rose, rose is a pretty and beautiful flower. Easy Maggie, Maggie is easy and simple to cook. Cold, cold drink, cold drink is cold and chilly. Anger lion, lion is in anger and mad. Laugh, children, children laugh and giggle in joy. Sad, girl, girl is sad and unhappy. Jump, dolphin, dolphin jumps or leaps. Begin, race, race starts or begins. Quit, students. Students, put your finger on mouth and keep quit or silent. End, race. Race finishes or ends now.